Okay guys, so here we are with another video. We're doing a recap on kind of what took place on Monday, January 30th. So it was a big sell-off in EV stocks. So this is what we're going to basically be talking about in this video. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please smash the subscribe button and give me a like as well. So now a lot of people are probably thinking, oh, okay, you were wrong about Lucid, but the entire EV sector, okay, sold off today. So we take a look. NIO was down 4%, Tesla was down 6%, Lucid was down 7%, and RIVN was down almost 10%, guys. So these stocks, they're basically trading in tandem, okay? So if Tesla usually is the leader, if Tesla's selling off, you expect the rest of these stocks to sell off now. Now, what took place? Well, obviously, there are several things that happened. I think a lot of investors obviously made a lot of money last week. So this was profit taking. And I also think that people are a little bit skittish about the Fed's decision on February 1st at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So perhaps they're just a little afraid of what the Fed's going to do in terms of the interest rates. But the good news is that this is early in the week, okay? I didn't really expect, obviously these stocks would just keep going up forever. So, there's nothing wrong with profit taking. You're going to expect that to happen. Okay, so like Lucid is holding very nicely at $11.50 support, NIO at $12, RIVN at $18, Tesla at $166. So what is going to take place? Well, for a lot of these stocks, they're starting off the week red, so that's not a good sign. We're going to see if these stocks can kind of rebound, okay? If they can kind of rebound, on Tuesday, heading up to the Fed's decision. I don't know, the whole, the QQQ and the NASDAQ sold off pretty sharply. So we'll see what takes place. So I am still holding my positions, and I actually ended up entering a couple of call options expiring on March 3rd for Lucid at a strike price of $35. I bought those in my Fidelity. Okay, that's not the public trading account here. But why did I purchase those options? Well, I'm still anticipating a nice pump in Lucid. Perhaps if there's some more, information on the potential rumors of the PIF acquiring the whole company. They own about 60 to 65% of the shares, depending on which source you're reading. I think they're going to try to take it private. If they were going to do it, they'll probably want to do it before earnings. So I'm anticipating that this could happen sometime in February. Of course, I could be wrong, but that's just my guess. So we'll see what happens. On Tuesday, January 31st, leading up to the Fed's decision. And like I said, I took some losses, so I had some big gains last week. I had some pretty big losses this week. But the good thing is that this is just the first Monday. We'll see. If the market continues selling off on Tuesday, I might go in there and dip buy some of these stocks. These stocks, like I said, EV stocks are wonderful long-term investments, okay? The government is requiring basically most world governments are requiring people to switch to EVs by 2030, 2035. So it's really take your pick on which company you think is going to best. Obviously, I think Tesla has a head start, but RIVN, NIO, and Lucid, they're all big players and they're all going to do well in this race. So really, I think all of these stocks are going to be lifted. Just like if you look at big tech, if you bought Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, take your pick. Microsoft, you would have done well. So I feel like this is the same kind of four-headed race. These four stocks are leading the charge. So what's the game plan for the rest of the week? Well, see how the market responds. Like I said, on Wednesday, maybe they only raise the interest rates 25 basis points. Maybe the market soars, okay? This isn't a bad sign to have a little bit of a breather, especially after such a massive run-up, okay? Tesla, in particular, had its best week since 2013. So this isn't a bad sign. It's not, because stocks literally won't go up forever. So it's not a bad sign if they take a little bit of a breather. As you can see here, last time we had a couple of red candles. The stock still did well. So we take a look here at, this is Tesla. You can see that it had a red candle here, and then it soared much higher, okay? Had a couple of red candles here on the daily. Boom, soared much higher. So in order for stocks to keep going up, they need to sell off. Why? Because when they sell off, they attract new buyers and new interest. If they just keep going up, usually they're just going to crash. So a red day is not a bad sign. So far this year, every time Tesla's had a big red day, it's rebounded and gone green. So like I said, I'm pretty optimistic about the EV stocks. I haven't really closed any of my options. Now, if it goes red again on Tuesday, I'll be a little bit more pessimistic. I might just close them out, but we'll see what happens. So, like I said, it's tough to tell right now how people are going to react, how the markets react. So I just want to make this quick video update on the EV stocks. If you guys enjoy my content, please smash the red subscribe button to get more videos from me. And give me a like if you like this content. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think EV stocks are going to continue selling off? Let me know what you think in the comments below. That's all I got until next time, guys. Take care.